Susan. I hope everybody's doing great today. The recipe for today is going to be apple pie muffins, and they really were a winner. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For the topping, you'll need a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1/3 a cup of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've lightly greased my muffin cups, and I did use liners, but I sprayed them. You want to combine all the ingredients for the topping until it's crumbly, and then just set it aside. For the batter, you'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. The brown you see is cinnamon. I use the same measuring spoon. You'll need 1 egg, 1 cup of buttermilk, a half a cup of melted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 1/2 cups of packed brown sugar, and 2 cups of diced apples. You want to whisk your egg with your butter, vanilla, and buttermilk in a bowl until creamy. And I added my buttermilk in with my butter so that my eggs wouldn't scramble. Now you want to add in your brown sugar and stir, and I obviously should have used a bigger bowl. So I just poured the creamy mixture in with the sugar. Now you want to place your flour, apples, salt, and baking soda in a bowl and stir together. And the apples I used are Granny Smith apples, and they were really good. But you can use any baking apple of your choice. Now you want to mix your creamy mixture with your flour mixture and just mix it until it's just incorporated. You don't want to overmix. Now you'll want to fill your muffin cups and sprinkle the tops with the cinnamon mixture. I probably could have used a little less batter and made more. I got 12 muffins from this recipe, but they were very big and cooked up high. So you probably could get maybe two more muffins and just have them not as big. Now sprinkle your topping over your muffins. Now bake for about 20 minutes or until done. It took about 22 minutes for mine to get done. And here they are. They were so good. It was definitely a keeper, and I have been enjoying these with coffee in the morning. They are moist. They have such a good flavor. That topping is great. and I highly recommend these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care this Muffin Monday. And until next time, bye y'all.